Hi, and welcome to the Merrill Manufacturing YouTube channel. Today, we'll be replacing a plunger on our E5000 series hydrant. Before replacing the plunger, we recommend adjusting the current plunger to see if the leak is a positional issue. Please watch E5000 leaking out of the nozzle for plunger adjustments. For this replacement, you'll need two 7/16 open-end wrenches, a 7/8 open-end wrench or an adjustable wrench, a vice grip, a non-petroleum-based lubricant, silicone to lubricate the plunger, and something to hold water. Begin by shutting off the water supply to the hydrant. Once off, remove the lever bolt with the 7/16 wrenches, freeing the lever and draw straps. Now loosen the hex head bolt with the 7/16 wrench and remove it with the pivot connector as a unit. Use the 7/8 wrench or adjustable wrench to unscrew the packing gland. You may leave the packing nut attached. With everything removed, pull the operating rod and plunger up and out of the hydrant. With the guts removed from the hydrant, turn on the water supply for a couple of seconds to flush out any debris that could be caught in or around the valve body. To begin the plunger replacement process, secure the operating rod using a table vise, vice grip, or something that will allow the removal of the plunger. Once secured, tighten the vice grip around the metal top of the plunger and unscrew. When removed, take the new plunger and hand tighten onto the operating rod as far as possible. After hand tightening, fasten the vice grip to the metal top and completely tighten the plunger. Do not grip the rubber plunger with the vice grip, as doing so will damage the plunger. With the new plunger on the rod, it's time to reassemble the hydrant. Begin by lubricating the new plunger with a non-petroleum-based lubricant. Petroleum-based lubricants such as Vaseline will damage the new plunger. Once the plunger is lubricated, be sure the packing gland and packing nut are on the operating rod. Place the operating rod into the head casting and down into the standpipe. Press the operating rod firmly into place to ensure that the plunger is in place. Start tightening the packing gland into the head casting by hand to prevent cross-threading. Finish tightening with a 7/8 wrench or adjustable wrench. Place the pivot connector with the loosened hex head bolt onto the operating rod. Set the draw straps bent inward onto the pivot connector and around the top of the lever casting. Line the holes up with the head casting and place the lever bolt through all three. Tighten the lever bolt and nut with the two 7/16 wrenches. Lift the hydrant lever 2 to 3 inches from the off position and tighten the hex head bolt to the operating rod. Once tight, turn the water supply to the hydrant back on and check for leaks. If the leaking continues, shut off the water, loosen the hex head bolt, and tighten at a slightly higher position. With the leaking issue cured, make sure the hydrant is draining correctly. This is done by filling a container with water using the hydrant. Place the nozzle of the hydrant into the container and fill until the water level is above the nozzle. Now shut off the water and watch the water level in the cup. If working correctly, the water level should decrease as suction from the draining water empties the container down the pipe and out the drain hole. For questions, products, or more information, please visit our website at www.merrillmfg.com. Find us on Facebook at Merrill Manufacturing Co. or call us at 800-831-6962. Thanks for watching.